Let's look at the top locations for missile cities in Iran that have not been bombed. Here are the 6 targets. Borizhdan Missile Site. Terrain, located at the base of the Zagros foothills. High security perimeter and a prominent 300-meter tunnel entrance built into the rock face. Features: underground missile city with an internal rail systems for the rapid movement of large missile canisters from deep storage to the tunnel mouth. Missile systems, anti-ship cruise missiles, ASCM. And short-range ballistic missiles, SRBM. Kormaj Missile Site. Terrain, situated in a rugged valley southeast of Bushehr. The facility is heavily camouflaged within the natural ridgelines to avoid satellite detection. Features: a high-readiness launch base utilizing a network of hardened subterranean galleries that allow for the storage of fueled missiles, significantly reducing launch preparation time. Missile systems, medium-range ballistic missiles, MRBM. Such as the Shahab-3 and variants of the Gadr series missiles. Jam, Shamran, Missile Base. Terrain, located near the Jam Airport/Shamran Air Base. Features: multiple valley floor entrances leading into a massive mountain complex. Maintains automated vertical launch silos. Operates a revolver-style magazine system deep underground that can rotate missiles into the launch position sequentially. Missile systems, primarily the Qayyum-1, which is specifically designed for silo-based launches. Lar Missile Site. Terrain, located in the Fars province, integrated into the Bandar Abbas area independent sites with mountainous, natural overhead cover. Features: capable of functioning as an area independent site, meaning it has autonomous command and control. It contains multiple hardened shelters and drive-through launch tunnels for mobile transporter erector launchers TELs. Missile systems. Houses the Ahmad and Gadr MRBMs, which feature maneuverable re-entry vehicles MARVs for higher precision. Korgu Missile Site. Terrain, located north of Bandar Abbas. This site is defined by its deep mountain bunkering and distinct, artificial surface modifications for launch stability. Features: a strategic node for solid fuel missile magazines. Features circular structures that deploy rapid launch canister systems. Missile systems. High mobility solid fuel systems Zulfiqar and Desful. Hajiabad, Missile Base. Terrain site, a highly distinct facility located in the Hormozgan province. It is easily identified by 7 massive, hollow circular concrete structures. Features: the first site designed specifically for horizontal canister-launched solid fuel missiles. The circular pits allow for missiles to be stored and then elevated for launch while remaining partially protected by the hardened structures. Missile systems, designated for the use of THR Fateh 110 family of missiles, including the Fateh 313 and the Zulfiqar missiles. The strategic advantage of these 6 sites is that they sit directly across from the western shore of the Persian Gulf. At these distances, warning times for air defense systems are extremely limited. These highly compressed sites represent a kill chain that targets nearly all major U.S. and Allied assets in the region within minutes. The arsenal, its capabilities, and locations, are in plain sight. They are high-value targets that are currently off-limits for attacks. Critics say they are no longer strike-ready because they cannot receive real-time targeting data from the now-destroyed radar network. They also are now considered containment targets, sites to be monitored and deterred rather than destroyed. Many argue that destroying these targets would likely lead to a global war.